I love unboxing, guys. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is an unboxing video and we're going to be reviewing these jewelry boxes that I got from Aliexpress. I took a risk and I told myself that I was going to buy from Aliexpress this time because I have been looking around in all the UK shops, websites and everything to find like a good jewelry box or a couple of jewelry boxes that would help me with organizing my jewelries. I am going crazy, guys. Like, I have all those small jewelry boxes that people give you when they give you jewelries, like gifts, all those gift packs. I'm not really too much of a jewelry person, but the little I have, I'm so annoyed by the amount I have laying around. My children actually open them and then play with them, is what I'm saying. So I have all of these small tiny packages laying around. I'm sure I'm not the only one. All this so many of them that when I buy jewelries, see, like, I'm so I've never really thought about it that I needed a jewelry box, but now I need a jewelry box. It's time to organize my jewelry. So I've got this one I got from Aliexpress. See, I haven't opened it at all because I wanted to show you guys first. Wanted to make a video on it and hopefully, fingers crossed, Aliexpress has not disappointed me because they are known for disappointing people. But I've taken out the outer covering. This is what it looks like here, and I'm very impressed at the packaging. They actually covered it with a bubble wrap, this one, and then let's go in. Let me I love unboxing, guys. All right, so this is the inner package and I'm so impressed. There are two jewelry boxes in there. That's this one and this one. I haven't seen it, guys, so believe me, I have not seen it. All right, so this paper-like thing is covering it plus the bubble wrap. Then they have this thing in between the two jewelry boxes, which I'm really impressed with. They're, I think, £13 something. I'll put the links in the description box. Hopefully these boxes are worth the price, but I think for £13 something it's really good because the ones I saw in the UK were like £20 and above. The one in H&M was like almost £40 and it was this big. So this is one of my favorite things to do, guys. Into two so this doesn't break on this one. Let's just open one of them. Wow. Okay, so I got it in gray. Oh wow, nice. This is like, is this Velcro? This feels good. And this is in glass. It's like plastic. Feels so soft and, you know, so smooth. And then it's got this to open it. Oops. So yeah, there were other colors on the website, but these guys really did well with the packaging. Look, it's got like something in here to, you know, help it not to break. And wow, this is perfect. This is so perfect. It's got this ribbon like thing. All right, so when you open it, doesn't just open ajar, it doesn't open completely or fall off. So this holds it. There were different types, like there was some that, you know, it depends on what you want to put in it. But let's see what the second one is like because I know the design was different. I tried to order two types. I'm like a kid as I'm getting birthday presents. Oh, nice. Look, totally different. I don't know what this is for. Okay, I think this is for hanging your necklaces or bracelets. Yeah, because it's metal, like it's like white metals. Guys, look closely. We've got here for maybe earrings and rings, and this for like small studs. I think so. That's what I'm going to use it for. I am so happy with it. I'm going to put a couple of jewelries for you guys to see what it would look like. Yeah, let's just do some organization.
Now you got me up second guessing, 'cause even though I gave back your things from time to time, you walk through my daydream. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? Your friends all say that you're doing fine. I know I told you leave me behind, but tell me, what am I supposed to do?
spaces for more jewelries. Aliexpress didn't do bad at all. Like, I am very, very impressed. The shipping time was good. It was like less than 3 weeks, about 3 weeks. The packaging nice. The price fantastic. The quality is also good. Something coming all the way from China through AliExpress. I am a believer of this jewelry box. Or if you're thinking of organizing your space, organizing your jewelries, this is really good. And it's just not like earrings and all. And I actually put some hair accessories in there. I also put like my brooch and all, and it really fitted nicely. I know there's lots of more spaces to put more things. I've just put very few of my jewelries and it looks very good. I would recommend this 100%. I would give it a 10 over 10 for price, for packaging, for quality, for everything. I hope this has helped somebody today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, chat me up, ask me any questions. I'd be in the comment section. See you later. Bye.